Hello, my name is Saad. Today topic of the video is how to make an e-commerce website with WordPress 2022. Before that, subscribe to my channel. 1. Score the perfect domain name. Go to the top. Your domain name is basically your website's unique address. It's the part after the www in your URL. Ours is with citybuilderexpert.com, for example. You can buy a domain name from sites like NameCheap. If you're lucky, you find the one you want is free and selling at the standard low rate, $10, $20 per year. If you're not so lucky, your dream domain name could be unavailable or available via resale at a much higher rate, sometimes several hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This is only for the first year, though even the priciest domain names will renew at the standard rate, $10, $20 per year after that. Before moving on to the next step, make sure you've thought of a memorable and relevant domain name for your e-commerce website. Checked it's available, bought it, and set a reminder to renew it next year. 2. Sign up to a hosting provider. Bluehost came out top in our research for WordPress hosting. Compared to e-commerce builders and platforms, WordPress can be a little tricky to handle and maintain. You've got to install the software for starters, then stay on top of updates and security. We rate Bluehost because it automates a lot of this for you, all while offering solid hosting in its own right, at a good price. It's a win-win provider where WordPress is concerned. Whether you're just starting off with a few products or you see your business growing in the near future, we recommend starting with one of Bluehost's WooCommerce hosting plans. With Bluehost, WooCommerce plans aren't just dedicated e-commerce powerhouses, they're also built to make your life a lot easier. Starting at $12.95/month, they come with one-click payment processing installs and an automatically installed storefront theme. You'll also be able to sell unlimited products. 3. Install WordPress. One-click WordPress installation. As you might expect, the first option is definitely the easiest and is the option we'd recommend. When you're choosing a hosting provider, look for those offering the perk of one-click installs. Check out the providers on our list of the best WordPress hosts to see a selection of the best. Once you've signed up with a hosting provider which offers this kind of installation, basically all you have to do is go into your hosting dashboard and hit a button that says Install WordPresses. Here's our guide to installing WordPress with Bluehost, and you'll find the process pretty similar with most hosting providers. Manual WordPress installation. If your hosting provider doesn't offer one-click WordPress installation, it's a question of downloading WordPress to your computer, then uploading it to your hosting dashboard. It's easy enough, it's just not as easy. Check out this WordPress guide on installing the software yourself. 4. Install and configure WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the most popular WordPress plugin for adding e-commerce functionality to your site. It has a 4.6/5 rating from over 3,000 users and has more than 4 million active installations. It's fair to say it's pretty popular, and it's easy to see why. Top tip: it's super easy to set up WooCommerce with Bluehost. One of the biggest headaches with an e-commerce store can be getting everything ready to go live, but that's not the case with Bluehost's WooCommerce plans. They come with an online store website theme pre-installed and offer one-click installations for payment processing. For now, though, we'll assume that's what you'll be using and walk you through the process of installing and configuring it. 1. Install and activate WooCommerce. Log into your WordPress dashboard and head to the plugin directory by clicking plugin on the left-hand menu. Search for WooCommerce in the search bar, then click the gray Install Now button. 2. Add business details. First, you need to fill out your business's details, which is pretty self-explanatory. 3. Select payment options. As Stripe and PayPal are both popular options, we'd recommend you enable both. You can add your accounts at a later date if you don't have them set up yet. 4. Confirm shipping options. Next, you'll be asked to choose your shipping rates. WooCommerce will recognize the area you're currently in and set this as your main shipping zone, with the other option basically being the rest. 5. Choose a theme. Pick a theme that you like, and that will work well for your e-commerce site, even if that means splashing out on a premium template from a third-party site. It'll save you hassle in the long run. Popular third-party sites for buying themes include ThemeForest, huge selection, and elegant themes, smaller curated selection, but there's a ton of great sites out there. Once you've got a decent number of products ready to go, it's time to move on to the more fun stuff: choosing a theme. You can find a selection of free WordPress themes in the theme directory, which you can access through your dashboard. Log into your WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance, then click Themes. This will take you through to the theme dashboard. Click the button above the themes that says Add New, then browse themes under Featured, Popular, etc., or use the search bar to search for specific industries. Demo a few themes to find the one you like, then hit Install under the theme to download it. After a couple of minutes, a button will appear under the theme that says Activate. Click this, and the theme is all yours. Top tip: WooCommerce also has its own theme storefront which, as you'd expect, works seamlessly with WooCommerce and looks pretty sleek too. 6. Add products. Once you've installed Jetpack, the last stage of your initial WooCommerce configuration, you'll see a screen inviting you to add your first product. For every product you upload, you'll need the following things. Product name e.g. cute pale grey cement plant pot. Price e.g. $12.95. Main product image. This should be a picture of the whole product from the front. Additional product images, optional but recommended, include pictures from as many different angles as possible and add close-ups of finer details. Product description, long, e.g. inject some Scandinavian cool into your home with this simple cement planter. Features a drainage hole and comes with small matching dish so your plant won't get overwatered. Height, 15 centimeters. Diameter, 8 centimeters. Short product description, e.g. simple cement planter with drainage hole and matching tray. Product category, if you have more than one, e.g. plant pots. Once you've added this key information, you'll need to click through all the tabs in the middle to add all the specific details of your product. Here's a quick overview of what's covered in every tab of the product data section. General, this is the tab we're in currently and covers price and tax. Inventory, the place to add SKUs etc. if you want to be able to track your inventory. Shipping, product dimensions and shipping cost. Linked products, update later with complementary products to upsell. Attributes, if you have a variable product, one with different sizing or color options, for example, then this is the place to add the different versions. 7. Install additional plugins. Alongside WooCommerce, here are 3 plugins we really rate for online stores. 1. Yoast for SEO guidance. 2. Securi for security. 3. Site reviews for reviews. 8. Add content that converts. Go to the top. Now it's time to adjust the copy on your key pages. Find these key pages by heading to Pages, then All Pages. 9. Make your site public. Go to the top. Once you are basically happy with how your site works, remember you can always preview pages to see how they look live. It's time to make it public. This is the easy part. Go to Settings, then Privacy. Once you've uploaded your privacy policy, you should see the option to turn your site public. Please join, connect and subscribe.